Okay, we're gonna get into this ponytail. She has natural hair. I have to straighten her all the way out with my flat irons and my straightening comb. All right, her ends need to be trimmed for her slick ponytail. Right here I'm showing you that you have to take it section by section and slick the hair down with the blow dryer and the spray. Got to be glued spray. A little edge control. Her hair is so thick you have to take it section by section. Hair is slicked. I'm braiding some hair in with her hair to make her sleek ponytail. Sewing her tracks on her braid. Sometimes I glue, but she has to perform, so she has to have her hair in, not going anywhere. I sew the tracks down. She don't have to worry about them slipping or falling or nothing. To hide the last track, I take a small piece of the hair and I wrap it around the ponytail with some got to be glue, hairspray, and blow dryer. And then we're going to slick and make this ponytail straight. We flat iron the ponytail out. Clean her up. And there she is. Slick ponytail. The natural hair. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.